Mm-hmm. We're gonna work on the car today. Something broke on the door handle of my driver's side, so I had to fix that. And also my right fog light is loose. I think one of my screws is also loose. I'm about to find out. And the wiring of the fog lights are dangling all over the place. So I got my charger. Because I got no. Well, of course I got no charge. I got a Bob Brothers car. Say hello to the EG. I'm about to show you guys what the hell is up. So this thing is like, we're gonna fix that. And my see that? See that? That ain't supposed to be like that. So we're gonna address that right now. Hey yo. Meow meow baby boy. Dang, my brother's car is dirty. What up? My brother's car is loud AF. I'm just gonna put this here to the side and give you guys a little rev. And we're good. Damn, I'm burning oil. It's so blue. Anyway, time to center this. Yeah, even my stereo is loose. I gotta fix that. Like, these are the things you deal with. Owning a car that's older than you. You know, like, it's got its issues, but it's all fun and games. You know what I mean? Let's put it a bit more forward. Okay, that's good. Now turn this off and open the hood. It's clean inside and that's all that matters. I don't know what to address first. If I should address my door or should I address the fog light wiring issue. I should probably address the fog light wiring issue because it might be easier that way. You guys didn't already. D15B, straight PO8, passport mounts, all the little goodies. So let's tear this thing apart. Let me get my legendary mat to work things under the car, which is just a piece of cardboard. So we're gonna do that. I think there's a proper place to bring this here. Yes, mat done. So we're gonna try to finish this before it rains. Gotta turn the tires. I mean the wheels. Hey yo! What the? What happened? Nah! What happened? I'm about to murder someone. Hey yo! We good, boy? We good. The hell was that? Okay. This car, you know, loves to troll me. Like, I just don't want to work right now, you know? Cars, every car guy has a tool set. Ooh! I got new toys! Bro, my dad bought this thing from, I think, TikTok Shop or something. It's a impact wrench. Ooh! Unless I'm taking off a wheel or something, no point. Let's get to work. Okay, let's go with a 10 and another 10. Just a messy angle. I actually need to take this off because I no longer have fender liners. There we go. I don't have a fender liner anymore. So when I washed my car the other day, some water got into the blinker and I put blinker fluid in my car. So. Okay, so I just have to loosen it. And I can do everything by hand. Dang, it's dusty. Okay. So we got this sorted out. Set this aside. Now let's go to the other side. Don't start to drizzle now. The frick. Okay. Just loosen this up. Then I can do everything by hand. Okay, I just lost the nut. Nah! There's just... No way, man. Where's the... Okay, I see the nut again. Yes, sir! Short hands. I mean short arms. And we go to the front of the bumper. I always do the center first. I need to reinvest in original password JDM nuts and bolts. The ones on my plate are legit, but these ones aren't because look, they're already like rusting and bending and damn. Come on. Move the toolbox so I can legit just grab my bumper. Out you go. Okay. Now, tell me what's happening, bruh. Why you loose? At locking it into place, because it's supposed to be like this, right? So, I'm not really sure, because it's supposed to look like this, yeah. So, the mounts are... That's okay. It's better than it was before. So, we solved issue number 1. Where did I put them, bro? I literally put them aside so if someone needs it, they can get out here. I'm so good. Okay, I'm back here. Now we're gonna zip tie these wires. Then we can do this one more. The zip tie is so small. Okay. Bang. Okay. Assuming that won't go anywhere, the hood is a success. Okay. I mean, yeah, the bumper, bro. I think. Let me test the lights in case I totally didn't touch the wiring and messed up my lighting again. This works, right? My lighting here works. Okay, this bulb works. Park lights work. Fogs work. That's working. So the issue about this bulb is my turn signals, right? Okay. Now it's working fine. What are you talking about? Is it blinking? Yeah. Look at this. Okay, so the hell's the issue then? Now it's blinking fast. Oh. What the f? See, now we're good. That works. Park light. Working? Yeah, working. Okay. We're good then. Let's quickly clean my right blinker off of its blinker fluid. So let's go tear this thing apart. Okay. Where's the machine? Oh no, it's here on the thingy. Okay. I was about to lose. No! I was just about to say I was about to lose it and I lost it. I got it back. Why do I have cobwebs on my filter, bro? Ah! Where'd it go? Ah! Oh, there it is. Ow! I hit my finger. I hate this. I hate this. Are a nuisance to my piece. Thank God the mounts of this are fixed because the mounts on the other side, nah, they're not great at all. Okay, can you just get off, please? Because I'm just trying to get the water out. Yep, that was gross. Now it's all, well, it's still dirty inside, but you know it's better. Okay. At least there's no water inside. Can the mounts do mounting things, please? Where do you go? There. Okay, locked in place. Come on. Ooh. It sounded like it broke, but it didn't. Nice. Progress, guys. Progress. Okay, that's good. Eat the bumper back on, and we're gonna work on my door. So, let's go do that. There we go. Damn. That takes blood. I'm just kidding. I really wish the lifter kits, because the gap here, my gosh, represents Philippines' debt. So if you don't know how to tear apart your interior, you know what I need to fix too? Some wiring issues. I can't close my windows unless my door is fully closed. That doesn't make any sense. I don't know if it's a ground or something, but can you get off and not go under everything? Okay. I need to get this repainted because the paint is hideous. And then now we take apart the sidings. So I believe it's just a pull up, if I remember how to do this. Actually, you take the under side off first. While sliding, pulling up. Ah! And then once it's all off, you just let it up. Okay. Oops, my bad, hit the mic. Get the settings off now. I'm gonna put this inside because this thing is more valuable than I. And then here's the issue, and here's the thing that fell. Okay. So yeah, the problem about this is the mount itself, like the screw mount itself is like, it's not attached to the handle anymore. So that's why it gets off if you're not careful about it. So that's why I'm gonna be careful about it. So I live my life on overdrive. It's a pretty easy fix. It's just annoying that it happens. So, okay. So this is the mount that it goes to here. So the end of that, here the actual screw mount. Oh yeah, I forgot the focus is. So yeah, this screw mount goes into that, and that's what I'm gonna do. I should have opened my window for this, but never mind. Okay, you know what? Just watch it from that side. I'm gonna stand up. So basically, I just have to push that thing in, and yes, it's gonna keep getting removed, but I genuinely have no idea how to fix it. I mean, I do know how to fix it. There has to be something I can use to make it stick to the thing again. I think I used like super glue before and it didn't work. So basically, I just use multiple washers to keep it in place. There's supposed to be like a bracket here. Like this bracket is supposed to cover this so that the freaking screws can link into it. But that doesn't exist. So we're just gonna do it the old-fashioned way and do some car guy stuff. Technically that does work, yeah, but I can't pull it like really strong because then it's gonna come off again. So that's just a short remedy to my issue. But we're done. See, that's it. Just gotta fix that. I got big plans for this car. Like, I'm genuinely thinking about stripping the interior except for the front sidings and the front dash. Everything stays, but the back is gonna be stripped naked and probably no carpet too. I'll think about it, but I do enjoy myself the carpet. So let's bring back my, see, this thing even came off. My pigtail for the windows came off without me even unlocking it. You know what I mean? Like, that's not supposed to happen. But it did. So let's bring it back. Okay, I know you guys know of the video of the Integra that just has this on the glove compartment, and it's just there. So if he wants to control the windows, he'll put this in on the pigtail. So as I was editing, the camera did die, and I filmed an outro, but the mic wasn't turned on, so there's no audio. So I guess this is the ending of the vlog. I just finished up the door, and I ended up fixing my stereo too. I couldn't film that anymore because I was too stressed fixing that thing because I fix it every time. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and this was your daily reminder to be grateful.